Welcome back, everyone, for another deep dive. And today, we're talking all about tech.
Okay.
But not just any tech. We're going beyond the screens, beyond the apps, to see how technology is tackling real-world problems.
Yeah.
Making things work better, smarter.
I like it.
And maybe even faster.
Definitely faster.
And we've got a pretty interesting example to get us started.
Okay, I'm all ears.
Domino's Pizza.
Domino's.
Really?
Yep, Domino's. Not exactly the first place you think of when you think cutting-edge tech.
No, not really, unless you're thinking about that pizza tracker.
But that's just the tip of the iceberg, my friend.
Okay, lay it on me. What's Domino's got up its sleeve?
Well, they're actually using robots and AI in some pretty surprising ways.
Robots, huh? So, are they building some kind of pizza-making army?
Well, not an army exactly, but they are using robots in some kitchens.
Interesting.
To handle some of the more repetitive tasks of pizza making.
Like what?
Things like kneading the dough.
Okay.
Spreading the sauce.
Or even carefully placing those toppings.
Ah, I see. So instead of a human tossing the dough, you've got a robot arm doing it.
That's the idea.
I imagine that's got to be pretty tricky to get right,
Oh, absolutely.
Getting a robot to make a pizza, just like a human.
It's more than just tossing the dough, right?
Yeah.
There's a certain art to it.
Absolutely.
Knowing how much flour to add or when the crust is perfectly golden brown.
Right.
Those are things that, for now at least, humans still do better than machines.
I mean, yeah, there's a lot of intuition involved, I guess.
Definitely.
You can't just program that into a robot, at least not yet.
Exactly.
So what are the robots good at? Are they at least speeding things up in the kitchen?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
They're all about efficiency and consistency.
Right.
But that's not the whole story.
Oh, there's more.
Domino's is also using AI algorithms.
AI for pizza.
Yeah. To optimize delivery routes.
Wow.
So basically, the AI takes into account traffic patterns.
Okay.
Weather conditions.
Yeah.
Even how many other orders are being delivered in the area.
Hold on. So it's not just like a GPS. It's actually thinking about the best route?
Exactly. So instead of relying on the driver's knowledge of the neighborhood, the AI is figuring out the absolute fastest way to get that pizza from the oven to your door.
So it's like having a super smart GPS, but for pizza delivery.
That's a great way to put it.
I mean, this is pretty cool, but what about the drivers?
That's a good question.
Yeah, what happens to them if the algorithms are figuring out all the best routes?
Well, that's where things get a little complicated.
Yeah.
Some people argue that this kind of automation could lead to fewer jobs for drivers in the long run.
Makes sense.
But others believe it could create new opportunities.
Okay, like what?
Maybe in managing the technology or in roles that require those uniquely human skills that robots can't replicate just yet.
So it's not necessarily a robots versus humans situation.
No, not quite.
More like figuring out how we can all work together.
Exactly.
It's a lot to think about.
It really is.
I mean, who knew that ordering a pizza could lead to such a deep philosophical conversation?
Right. It just goes to show you that technology is touching every part of our lives.
Even pizza delivery.
Especially pizza delivery.
So next time I'm craving a pepperoni pizza, I'll be sure to think about all the hidden technology that's making it happen.
Me too. And who knows what other everyday experiences will be transformed by tech in the coming years.
Well, that's for us to discover on another deep dive.
Until then, stay curious.
And keep on learning.
And thanks for listening.
See ya.